morning everyone. My name is Zuban Masood. I read in class 3B. Today I am going to tell you the names of the body parts in English, Hindi and Konkani language. In English, hair. In Hindi, baal. In Konkani, canse. English, eyes. In Hindi, aankh. In Konkani, dode. One eye is dode. Eyes is dodo. In English, upper back. In Hindi, peeth. In Konkani, fart. In English, shoulder. In Hindi, kandha. In Konkani, khano. Shoulder is khana and shoulders are khane. In English, throat. In Hindi, gala. In Konkani, tado. Throat is tado. Throats are tade. In English, leg. In Hindi, pair. In Konkani, pie. Leg are pie and legs are also pie. In English, head. In Hindi, sir. In Konkani, takli. In English, beard. In Hindi, दाढ़ी. In Konkani, khad. In English, mustache. In Hindi, mooch. In Konkani, mishi. Mustache is mishi. Mustaches are mishio. In English, skin. In Hindi, chamda. In Konkani, kant. In English, blood. In Hindi, khoon. In Konkani, ragad. In English, knee. In Hindi, ghutna. In Konkani, dhopar. English, cheek. In Hindi, gaal. In Konkani, polo. Cheek is polo. Cheeks are pole. In English, heart. In Hindi, dil. In Konkani, kais. In English, brain. In Hindi, dimag. In Konkani, meend. In English, finger. In Hindi, ungli. In Konkani, bot. Finger is bot and fingers are botte. In English, stomach. In Hindi, pet. In Konkani, pot.